One thing I want to be clear. Besides my Filipino martial arts instructors such as Guru Ross Dotamal, Norm Stackhouse, Guru Louis Lindo, Maestro Paulo Pagaling, and more, my main influence, or one of the influences I have to give a shout out for my edged weapons training, is James Keating. He has been an advisor, a friend, a confidant for many years, and I really appreciate the advice and help he's given me over the years. And if you don't know who Master at Arms James Keating is, check him out. All of his material is available on Gumroad. He is a living treasure of martial knowledge, especially when it comes to the blade. I'm doing a series on the use of large folders in knife combatives on my Patreon. There are several reasons I love large folders. One is that they give significantly better cutting, right? You'll cover more space and the longer blade will go deeper on a slash or a cut. They allow for the use of the quick snap cut, which is the first video I did on the Patreon. They allow for a longer reach. Consider the fact that combat sports reach is measured from fingertip to fingertip. And when we look at the reach, a 6-inch reach is substantial, right? But with a large blade like this, how much of a reach advantage is that, right? If I choke down onto the blade, we're talking 7 plus 14-inch reach advantage if I'm going against somebody my size. For a smaller person, that is significant. Now, when we go into this series, I don't want you to think that I'm not talking about use of force models and what is appropriate use of force, because this is something I touch on constantly. And it's something that you need to consider if you are someone who would use a cutting tool as an improvised weapon of self-defense. Of course, using this level of force is a last case scenario. But if you're gonna carry a cutting tool, a longer blade is often better. A longer blade can do everything a small blade can do, but a small blade cannot do everything a long blade can do. If a large blade is a legal option in your area, I highly recommend it. Anyway, we'll be exploring this on my Patreon. Thank you. Have a great day.